Hello, this is the lecture number 11 for the chapter application of integrals, and we're discussing the miscellaneous exercise, and today we're starting with question number 14. Now in question number 14, you see in your NCERT book, you have to find the area bounded by these three lines. The lines are x plus y is equal to 4, 3x minus 2y is equal to 6, and the third equation is x minus 3y is equal to minus 5. So these are three equations. You have to find the area bounded by these three lines. So as usual, you solve them pairwise. That is, if you solve the first and second equation, you will get the point of intersection as 2 and 0. You take your own time to solve them. Now solving the equation number 2 and 3, you will getting the coordinates of the point as 4, 3. And solving the equation number 1 and 3, you are getting the point of intersection as 1 and 2. So mark these points on a graph paper. You'll get the following triangle. The first point is 2, 0, and one of the point is 1, 2. Let us call it 1, 2, and the third point is 4, 3. So let us call them A, B and C. When you join it, you are getting this triangle. When you join it, you are getting this triangle, and you have to find this area. This area you have to find it. Now as usual, draw the perpendicular on the x-axis. So this point will be 4, 0. If you draw this on the x-axis, it will be 0.10. Now you have to find this area. As usual, if you see it very carefully, if you integrate this line AB from the limit 1 to 4, you will get this total area touching the x-axis. That is area BA, let us call it E and F. This area bounded by the line AB with the x-axis, and this area is more, or you have to subtract it. This area is touching the side BC, and this area is touching the side AC. So you have to subtract the line area touching these two lines from the area touching the line AB from the limit 1 to 4. The area touching the line BC is from 1 to 2, and the area bounded by the line AC is from the limit 2 to 4. So the required area is that is from 1 to 4 touching the line of AB, this, minus from 1 to 2, see it very carefully, from 1 to 2 y with respect to x of AB, plus this extra area is this touching the line AC from 2 to 4, 2 to 4 with respect to x, touching the line with respect to x of AC. So this is the area you have to find. Area bounded by AB minus area bounded by the lines this BC and this AC. This is the point C. This. Now put the value of y of AB, which represent this line AB is y is equal to, this is x plus 5 upon 3. This is the line y is equal to 3x minus 6 upon 2, and this line is y is equal to x plus 5 upon 3. These are the lines. So put the value of y of AB, which is from 1 to 4. Y of AB is x plus 5 upon 3 minus from 1 to 2. Y of AB is 4 minus 2x plus from 2 to 4. Y of AC is 3x minus 6 upon 2. 3x minus 6 upon 2. This integrate as usual, and upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. You'll get the required area as, this will be 15 upon 2, this will be 1, and this will be 3. This will be 3, this will be 1, and this comes out to 15 upon 2, and the total area is 7 upon 2 square units, like this. This is the area bounded by these lines, which is forming a triangle. So this is the question number 14 of the miscellaneous exercise. Now after that, question number 15, you have to find the area bounded by the following curves. See it very carefully from your NCERT book. This is the curves are, question number, this is 15. It is written like this: ordered pair such that y square is less than equal to 4x, and 4x square plus 4y square is less than equal to 9. So as usual, this curve representing a parabola which is symmetrical to x-axis, and this is a circle which is with center at the origin and radius 3 upon 2. Divide this by 4, you will get 3 upon 2. So this is the area, this is the circle with the center at the origin, and the radius is 3 by 2. So first of all, let it equal to, remove this inequality sign for the finding the point of intersection. Let this equation be 1 and 2. When you solve them pairwise, you will get the point of intersection of these two. This is parabola, and the line is, when you solve it, we are getting the value of x as half, and the value of this coming out to be half, and the value of y is coming out to be plus minus root 2. So you can intersect this, draw the curves. This is the circle with the center at 0, 0, and the radius of this is 3 by 2. So this point will be 3 by 2, and this point will be 0, 3 by 2, and the parabola is horizontal parabola, and this point of intersection is half root 2, and this is half minus root 2, and the area we have to find is this total. And how can you find it? You draw perpendicular on x-axis, and this point will be half 0, because this point is, x coordinate is half. So if you see it carefully, this origin is 0, 0. From 0 to half, the area is touching the parabola, and from half to 3 by 2, this area is touching the circle. Add these two and multiply by 2, you'll get the area below the x-axis also. The required area is from 0 to half, y with respect to x of, this is touching the parabola, that is the first equation, plus half to 3 by 2, y with respect to x, it is touching the circle, and multiply by 2. So the y y of this is under root 4x from 0 to half multiply by 2, and this is a special integral from half to 3 by 2 under root y from this under root 3 by 2 x square. So this is a special integral, and this is the integration of root x only. So this comes out to be 2 integral of root x from 0 to half, and this is a special integral which is x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse x upon a, that is x upon 3 by 2. This is. So this is the area bounded by these two. When you find the upper limit minus lower limit, you are getting the area as 9 pi upon 8. 9 pi upon 8 plus root 2 by 6 minus 9 upon 4 sine inverse 1 upon 3. You take your own time to calculate this value, because 4 to 5 steps also needed to get this answer. But main thing is, first of all, you have to detect the curve, what the curve denotes, then find the point of intersection, which is coming out to be half and plus minus root 2. Draw the curve, both the curves, mark the point of intersection of both the curves, then shade the area you have to find, then draw perpendicular on the x-axis in this. Then you find from which limit to which the area is touching which curve, and that is in this case from 0 to half the area is touching this parabola. From half to 3 by 2 the area is touching the circle. Adding these two and multiply by 2, you will get the area above the x-axis as well as the below the y-axis. So this is the question number 15 of your NCERT book. Now in question number 16, what is given? You have to find the area bounded by this y is equal to x cube, y is equal to x cube, the x-axis, and between the coordinates x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1. Now because we don't know what is the shape of this curve, you simply find the solution set of this curve, taking the values from minus 2 to 1. I have taken this minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. When you put minus 2, it will be equal to minus 8. When you put minus 1, it will be equal to minus 1. For 0, the value of y is 0, and for 1, it is 1. Now draw the curve. The value of curve like this: 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. You mark the points on the negative y-axis. It is minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2. This is the origin, and this is 1. So mark the point. For x is equal to minus 2, it is minus 8. For this minus 1, it is minus 1. For 0, it is 0. For 1, it is 1. So this is the curve you are getting. This is the curve you are getting. This is the point 1, 1, and this is the point minus 2, minus 8. So you have to find the area bounded by these two lines like this, and you have to get the area. So from minus 2 to 0, from minus 2 to 0, it is y with respect to x, and because it is below the x-axis the first time you are getting, you have to put the minus sign here, and always the area is positive. From 0 to 1, it is above the x-axis. This is from 0 to 1. So it is minus x cube from minus 2 to 0 with respect to x, plus x cube with respect to x from 0 to 1, and always the area is positive. So you integrate it, it will be minus x to the power 4 upon 4 from minus 2 to 0, mod sign should be there, and x to the power 4 upon 4 from limit from 0 to 1 and the mod sign. So taking the upper limit and lower limit and adding both the this area, you will get as 17 upon 4 square units. So this is the area bounded by this curve between these two limits, and this curve is y is equal to x cube. So this is the method you have to do this question, because we don't know the curve it is representing. So I have taken this solution set for y is equal to x cube between the x-axis, the x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 2 to 1, touching the x-axis, this area and this area you have to find. I have drawn a perpendicular on the x-axis. Okay, thank you. We'll discuss the remaining question in the next lecture. Thank you.